Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to solve a session expired problem in Google account. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing. So if you want to fix session expired problem on your Google account, what you need to do is first of all open up the Google account from here, hold on it and tap on app info from here. Once you tap on your app info, tap on storage and tap on clear data at the very bottom. Tap on clear the cache memory. After clearing up the cache memory, go to the home screen. Again go to the home screen, and now what you need to do is simply refresh the Google app again and again. What you can also try is just log out from your account and log back in, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.